Happy Monday and welcome to MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Welcome back to our XAMN Viewer mini-series. We're up to part 4, and last time we covered chat messages, something that is probably going to be involved in most of your investigations. Another thing that is going to be involved in your investigations is pictures. So we return to the case and we're still in our chat view, and while we're here I wanted to bring your attention to this left-hand menu. As you can see here, we've got a text box at the top, and as we start typing in that, you will see that words that have been indexed, so words that have been discovered within this case, will automatically start to populate as you type. And you can do any keyword searches here. As you scroll down, you can see these are the main hyperlinks that I showed you on the main case page. But as we go down, you can filter by apps, you can also filter by time, and we can filter by tags, which we will cover later. So to bring the filter menu up, we press this little plus, and you can see the available filters for you. So as well as doing one keyword search, you could actually import a word list. But let's return to pictures. So as we select pictures, and we can do that directly from this left-hand side, pictures will then load in. But one thing that we have to remember is that we are still in chat view. So when this populates, it's going to remind us that you're currently viewing it in chat view, and chat view is not going to work for pictures. And the list is loaded and it's telling us, view the results in gallery. So when we click gallery, we're now going to be presented with our pictures. And you can see here we're on page 1 of 1266. So to go through and review what pictures are here, we can simply scroll through the pages. And as you can see, we've got some likely suspects here. And if we click a picture, we will see details of that picture. We hope that you enjoyed today's MSAB Monday, and will join us again next time for part 5 of this XAMN Viewer mini-series. Thank you.